Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's tutorial do the annual benchmark test in the MI11 device after the recent MIUI 12.5 enhanced update. Yes friends, just today only I did receive the MIUI 12.5 enhanced update, as you can see. So which will definitely improve a lot of performance and a lot of the RAM management in this MI11 device. Let's see the Snapdragon 888 processor, how much annual benchmark score it can actually score after the recent update. That is what my main motive of making this video. And along with this update, there is a memory expansion option has been enabled, as you can see. So right now I did disable, friends, without enabling any kind of memory extension option. Right now I'm trying to do the annual benchmark test. So in the next upcoming videos, I'll try to use the memory extension and then I'll try to use the annual benchmark test. We'll be able to find out the difference with and without memory expansion. Now right now let me to open the annual benchmark application in this device. So right now I did disable the game turbo. So before it was enabled, but right now without using any kind of game turbo, I'm going to start the test. Let me know to disconnect the Wi-Fi connection, and brightness is exactly set to 50% brightness only during the process of demonstration. And in this MI11 device, the screen resolution is also set to the, as you can see, let me know to set into the quadrature resolution. During this process of demonstration, I'm trying to exactly set everything to the maximum, as you can see friends clearly. Now let's see what happens with the annual benchmark application in terms of the performance and in terms of even the temperature readings as well. So before starting the test, the temperature is of 35 degrees, not bad. And let's see how much higher the temperature can actually increase and how much high the annual benchmark score in this phone can actually increase. That is what my main focus of this video. Right now the annual benchmark test has been started in this phone in MI11 device, as you can see friends. So I'm going to be back after a certain amount of time, then we can actually discuss what is happening with the scores in the MI11 smartphone. So right now let's check the temperatures readings. So 36.6 degrees, as you can see friends, at the end of the annual benchmark test, and the backside is of 34.8 degrees. So in terms of the temperatures, I did not see major kind of shift in this MI11 device at this moment, the Snapdragon 888 processor. So I need to do the multiple times testings, only then we'll be able to find out something is wrong or not with this phone with the recent update. So every time I get a MIUI update, I need to do definitely this kind of benchmark test, speed test and CPU throttling test results as well, just to confirm what is happening with this update. Right now we did receive about 7,54,000 of annual benchmark score. As you can see friends, that's fantastic. And one good thing is that the temperature did not increase. As you can see, the temperature did not increase much. It only increased 2 degrees. That's fantastic friends, 7,54,000 in this Snapdragon 888 processor in this device. That's really good to see this kind of performance levels, as you can see. So with this kind of latest update, I can definitely feel the temperature is slightly got better and performance also remaining kind of same, and RAM management and everything I need to do the testing separately. But right now, as you can see, these are really good scores so far I got in this MI11 device. At this moment, as you can see friends, 7,54,000 in this MI11 device. And thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison friends, and let me just show you exactly what is the scores before. So before the update, what is the temperatures increased, how much? As you can see, 10 degrees it increased. It reached up to 7,82,000 as well, the benchmark score in this phone. But temperature was increased 10 degrees, and next is 6 degrees as well. So always the temperature used to increase 4 degrees or 5 degrees, similarly like this, as you can see. But just today only I did see only very low. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.